Hello everyone, this session is going to be on finding rank of a word. What do you mean by rank? Suppose somebody asked you to find the rank of word and the condition given to you is that those letters in the word you arrange alphabetical order and then tell me at which place this particular word is found out. So this is the problem we are going to discuss today. For finding rank of the word late, I will be telling you two methods. One method which is used by everyone, normally alphabetically means we should start with the letter which comes alphabetically and the remaining letters in the word. Then next one, which one comes alphabetically, we should start with that. Let me take this example first with late. We are going to find the rank of the word late when the letters of the word late are arranged the way they come in a dictionary. For late, alphabetically which one should come first? A, of course A. So starting with A, how many are there? That we find first. Starting with A, how many words are there? 3 factorial. So number of words starting with A will be 3 factorial 6. With A, how many there? We found it out. Then number of words starting with E. How many will be there? Starting with E. The same manner. You'll be arranging apart from E. How many are there? 3 places. 3 letters in 3 places, they can be arranged in 3 factorial 6 ways. Then it is coming to be the turn of this letter L. But with L, if you start arranging, then you won't be able to get the rank because LATE will be in those arrangements of 3 letters ATE in the remaining places. We should not do that. We take in the beginning spot, but then we'll think which one comes alphabetically after L. It is A only and it is following this sequence LA. We cannot arrange remaining 2 also. So we have to think about the next letter which comes after A, that is E. And then of course T. So LAT is 1. Next one is only going to be LAT because you cannot take T here, no? LTA is not required. We will be finding rank of this word only. So starting with A we have 6, starting with E we have 6, then starting with L we can get LATE plus 1, I mean 14th place we will be getting the word late. Okay? So rank of the word late, if you really start arranging, because I have taken the example which is very simple. If you take and start arranging, starting with A, how many will be there, starting with E, how many will be there, then L, then 14th place you can find easily. That effort you put there. But as we are doing, using the concept of fundamental principle of counting or permutation, so I will be taking the help of counting that manner only. Now let us find another easier method. What you do here, when you are going to find rank of the word late, you give the rank to each individual letter. See, LATE. A alphabetically comes first, that's why its rank is 1. Then E, its rank is 2. Then L, its rank is 3. Then T, its rank going to be 4. You understood? we have taken the rank of each individual letter. Now what you will do? Just below L, you look at the letters lying on the right side of L and whose ranks are less than rank of the letter L. It is A and E, so it will be 0. I mean, no letter, not 0. For L it is 3, no? 1, 4, 2. For A, how many are there? No. Because rank of T and E is more than rank of 1. There is no letter on the right side of A whose rank is less than A. That's why you have taken 0 over there. On the right side of T, only one letter has rank less than 4. That's why 1 here. On the right side of E, no letter is there. That's why 0. On the right side of 2, we have on the right side of L, 2 are there. That's why. Now what you have to do? Starting from L, you arrange all the remaining letters. How many ways it can be done? 3 factorial ways. On the right side of A, how many are there? 2 only. Their arrangement can be done in 2 factorial way. Here 3 factorial, this one. On the right side of T, 1 is there, its arrangement will be factorial n. On the right side of A, on the right side of T, only one letter is there, arrangement 1 factorial. On the right side of P, nothing is there, that's why 0 factorial. So all the possible cases before getting late you have done. You put +1 to get the rank of LAT, because late you have to get finally. Now what we will do? You multiply 2 with factorial 3, 0 with factorial 2, 1 with factorial 1, 0 with factorial 0 plus 1. See? 2 with factorial 3. What's the answer? This is 2 into 6. 0 into factorial 2, it is 0 only. 1 into factorial 1, 1, 0 and then 1. So how many will be there? There it will be 12 plus 1 plus 1, that is 14. So rank of the word late going to be 14. We will get this word after 13th place. 14 will be the rank. Hope you have understood. If you have not understood, no problem. You go for next one. I will be explaining both the method to get the rank of the word pearl. This is first method and this one second method. First method, how do you do? Alphabetically A comes first. Then apart from A, how many are remaining? 4. Their arrangement can be done in 4 factorial, that is 24 ways. With E, how many will be there? Factorial, 4 letters, their arrangement again can be done 4 factorial, 24 ways. Starting with L, how many? Again 4. So their arrangement will be factorial 4 or 24. Then it is the turn of P. After L, alphabetically P will be there. But with P, if you arrange, then your file is lost somewhere. You can't do it. What we will do there? After P, A will come alphabetically. So with PA, you start. Number of arrangement of 3 letters. So if you have taken P and A over there, how many are remaining? E, R, L. Their arrangement can be done in how many ways? Factorial 3, that is 6 ways. Then P, E, A, L, R. Why? Because after PA, P should be there and we cannot arrange. Again, power will be lost because P following the sequence. So we should choose letters one after the other. After P, which one comes? Alphabetically A. So after that L will be there, R will be there. PA following the sequence, so we must wait for these two. These two arranged alphabetically and we get L and R. 1. So not done, we haven't got Pearl over there. Next one only, PA you get fixed, and then R will come here, L over there. This is 1. So rank of the word Pearl going to be what? That is 3 into 24, 72, plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. 78 plus 2, I got 80. And I am not wrong. If I do it by second method, then what to do? We should give the rank to each letter individually. Given the rank to the letter A, because A comes alphabetically first, it is 1. For E, it is 2. After E alphabetically, L comes, it is 3. Then P, it is 4. And then R, it is 5. Okay? And then you just see on the right side of P how many have ranks less than that of 4, that of P. How many? This is 1, 1 and this one. So I have written 3 over there. 3 letters have rank less than 4 on the right side of P. Clear? On the right side of E, how many have rank less than 2? That is 1 only. So I have taken 1. Right side of A, how many are there? No one. Because rank of A is 1, rank of R is 5, and this one L is 3. More than that. So it should take 0 over there. Understood? On the right side of P, 3 letters have rank less than 4, that's why 3. On the right side of P, only 1 has rank less than E, that is 2, that's why 1. Right side of A, no one has rank less than A, that's why 0. Right side of L, only 1 letter, L is there, it's rank less, so 1. Right side of R, 1, right side of L, it is 0. Now you go on arranging. On the right side of P, how many are there? 4. Their arrangement can be done in 4 factorial. On the right side of P, how many are there? 3. Their arrangement will be 3 factorial. Right side of A, 2 are there, their arrangement will be 2 factorial ways. Right side of R, 1 is there, it will be 1 factorial. Right side of L, no, it is 0 factorial. And then plus 1. So how many will be there? You just go on multiplying. 3 into factorial 4, 1 into factorial 3, 1 into factorial 1, 0 into factorial 0 plus 1. So 3 into 24, 72, 6, 1 and then 1. After adding, we are getting 80 over there. So rank of Pearl in both the way is 80. So we are not wrong here again. Now we are going to find rank of the following words. That is mother, and mother is, what's her rank to you? Her rank is 1 always. But for the sake of mathematics, to get marks in the subject, if the letters of the word mother arranged alphabetically, at which place you will find this word mother? 6, larger than previous 2, 4, 5, and this is 6th one, and last one 7th one. Whatever, I am going to use this method, individual ranking, and then finding the rank of the word is more interesting for me. Personally, if you like to do it by the first method, you are welcome. You can do it. Okay? But I will be doing by using this method. I mean, second method for mother. So what you are going to do there? Without wasting time, let us do it very fast. E has rank 1 because out of these alphabetically E comes first. That's why 1. Then H, its rank is 2. And then M, then O, then R5 and T6. You have given rank to each individual letters. Now what to do? Come below M. Come below M. What is there? You have to find how many have rank less than 3. How many? This one and this one only. So I write the number 2 here. On the right side of O, 4 and 2 and 1 have rank less than that. So it will be 2. And T, 6. Rank of what? Letter T is 6. And 3 letters are there. So it will be 3. This one, it will be 1. This one will be 0. On right side of R, it will be 0 again. Now, you find number of arrangement of the letters right side of M. No repetition. Their arrangement will be in 5 factorial ways. Should agree? Because 5 letters, no repetition, factorial 5. Right side of O, how many are there? 4. Their arrangement can be done in 4 factorial ways. Right side of T, how many are there? 3. Their arrangement can be done in 3 factorial ways. Right side of H, 2 are there. Their arrangement can be done in 2 factorial ways. Right side of E, R only, arrangement will be 1 factorial. Right side of R, nothing, 0 factorial. Plus 1, compulsory you have to put. So rank going to be what? What you will do there? You are going to multiply now. 2 with factorial 5, 2 with factorial 4, 3 with factorial 3, 1 with factorial 2 and 0 with factorial 1, 0 with factorial 0, I did not list over there, plus 1. So 2 into 120, factorial 5 you know, 24, 48 you know, this is 18, 3 into 6, this one 2 and this is 1. So 240, 48, 18 plus 3. So 240, 48, 18 and 3. This is going to be 240 plus 69, 309. This you will do faster than me, because once you understand the method, then it's very easy to apply. Giving rank to each letters individually, then finding the rank of the given word. Then do it for Anupama. Repetitions. Which one's repeated? A is repeated first. Only one letter repeated thrice in Anupama. But maybe repeated other letters also, like Bahubali can be. But method will be the same. Give individual rank to A first. It is 1. Alphabetically it is first. Then which one? M. M has got rank 2. Then N, it has got rank 3. Then P, rank 4. And then U, rank is 5. And then you go on arranging, you go on putting numbers whose rank less than that of A on the right side of A. See, A has rank 1, all letters have rank either equal or more. So, we will be writing 0. No letters have rank less than that of A. Here, rank of N is 3, so these 3 have rank less than that of N, so 3. Here, how many? 1, 2, 3. No, U. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition there, that also you need to consider. 4. This one, 3. because AMA. This one 0, this one 1, and this one no letter on right side have rank less than A, so it is 0. Now it is very important. You should notice what I am going to do. On the right side of A, how many are there? 6 letters. Their arrangement can be done in 6 factorial by 3 factorial ways. Isn't it? Because 6 are there and these 3 are repeated. A, and A. So factorial 3. On the right side of A, how many are repeated? A and A repeated. So it will be factorial 5 by factorial 2. Right side of U, 4 are there. Their arrangement will be 4 factorial by 2 factorial. And here, on right side of P, 2 are there. Now a question arises, in the previous sums, we did not consider the rule of this. Why? Because repetition is there. That's why not only these two, you should remember this also. That's why I have divided by factorial 3, not by factorial 2. Right side of N, repetitions are there for A only, so factorial 5 by factorial 2. Right side of 4, these two are repeated by factorial 2. Right side of P, A are repeated, so twice, so factorial 3 by factorial 2. Right side of A again. We need to consider repetition of this also, as this is coinciding with the repeated letter, so we must consider these two. So that's why divided by factorial 2. This one factorial 1 and this one factorial 0. Now go on multiplying. You multiply 0 with this, 3 with this, 4 with factorial 5 by factorial 2. Wait a minute, factorial 4 by factorial 2. 3 with factorial 3 by factorial 2, then 0, then 1, and then finally plus 1 here. Clear? Hope you have understood. I have written here also because it did not fit over there. So now go on adding. There it will be 3 into 60, 180, 48, 9 and 2. 239 is the rank of the word Anupama. So once more I just tell you, if a letter is repeated, when you are arranging the letters on right side of that, repetition of this letter also to be taken into account. So factorial 6 by factorial 3, factorial 5 by, this way it continues. Here only, where the same letter repeated, we consider the role of that again. Clear? You try to find the rank of this at home and comment on the box rank of the word Nagina and rank of Bahubali. Okay? If you find the rank and inform me in the comment box, definitely I will answer whether you are right or wrong. Okay? Thank you.